Welcome back to another behind the scenes video. You guys love these and I love making them for you. So this one is one of my fall mini sessions and it ended up being an extended family session. I know a lot of you guys probably do not do extended family sessions for mini sessions, and I usually don't either, but they showed up with an extended family. They didn't answer my questionnaire, so I had no idea how many people there were going to be, but I actually don't mind because I can get through things really quickly. And when they have an extended family like this, like a big group, basically I kind of skip all the candidates. Like we only had 15 minutes. We had a lot of family breakdowns to get to. So basically I just skipped all the candidates and got all of the, just breakdowns and looking and smiling photos. And that's what I focused on here. And like I said, I don't mind when people show up with a lot of people like this because I do the upselling method for my mini sessions. And I've talked about that in a lot of other videos about why I do that, why it's good for my business. And one of the reasons is because I don't feel taken advantage of in situations like this. If I have an extended family session, I know that they are going to buy the full gallery. So my mini sessions come with 5 photos and there's no way, they asked me to do 15 different breakdowns of the families. So there's no way, obviously, that they're going to choose 5 photos. So I pretty much know for a fact they are going to upgrade to the full gallery. So that's why I don't feel taken advantage of. I don't mind because we only did 15 minutes of photos here and they upgraded to the full gallery. So they ended up spending, I think, $650 on the entire session. So that's not bad. And I don't mind that for 15 minutes of work. So enjoy watching how I very, very quickly pose this extended family in just 15 minutes and get everything they're looking for. Hope you enjoy. Oh, and one more thing I just wanted to mention. I know that I mentioned this in a lot of my other videos, but just in case you haven't downloaded it already, I do have a free posing guide for you in the description below that is specifically for family photographers. And I think that you will really enjoy that and it'll be really helpful for you. So don't forget, while you're watching this video, go ahead and download that free posing guide.
You look as pretty like yo.
Campbell, let me see your sweet face.
And then, can you guys scoot this way a little bit? Yes.
I was like, wow.
Yeah, you can do that.
Is that okay?
That works, yes.
We're gonna look forward.
Turn to her. Ready? Go with her.
Okay, look at Michelle.
And then on this side, can everybody just scoot in a little bit more so there's no spaces between the couples? There we go. Okay. And then everybody looking right here. Hi, hello. Smile, 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 smile.
Campbell!
Yay! And then even if you want to put them on your shoulder, you might be too big for that, but oh yeah, I like that. Yeah. Yes, perfect.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Everybody looking right here. Smile, smile. We heard it. Smile, smile, smile. Yay!
What's up?
I need to see your face.
There we go.
Hello.
Okay.
Smile, 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 smile. Yay! Yay! Okay, think about
That's like 500 pictures she just took.
Yeah, that is amazing. Get one where everybody's face. That's amazing. Okay, and then grandparents with all the kids.
Yeah, let's do that, and then we'll do that. All right, come on, sunshine.
You're gonna see what you do.
You wanna stay right here with us? By Bubba?
Yeah, you go by Bubba and then
Come on, get up there.
Okay, you guys get to the middle of the space.
Okay, so we got to get you girls and boys well. Yeah,
And the cuckoo hold you.
I was just like, the lady had not just had that anymore. I didn't swear.
No one's ever really
All right, y'all look at Michelle. Smile.
Hey, Brandon.
Can you put your hands down? Yeah, just put them down right here, like this. Oh yeah, that works.
Perfect.
Okay, I think we got it.
Okay, good. We're good then. All right, now.
I dropped it.
Now families. So let's do the family with the most kids first.
Okay, let's take Alex, Red.
come on.
Yeah, well, you did awesome, dude.
Doing amazing.
Or Sam, what did you get in the middle?
Somewhat of a model. I know.
Right here, Benny. Hey,
No cheers, no cheers.
What's your
Do you want to hold her?
Alright, here, switch. There you go. Alright. Go on the other side, Mac.
Over here, Mac.
Hey, Campbell.
Perfect.
Alright. Alright.
You guys are doing great, Beans. You're doing great.
I don't do this with just anybody.
Good try. There you go,
Big
Nancy.
smile. Big smile. Ah, big smiles.
You put your hands down.
He's just like, your hands like right.
Oh,
We're
Nancy,
gonna
your
get
dress is so good.
We're gonna get a donut!
Yay,
Are you Daddy's donut?
Oh my goodness. You guys look so good.
I think literally.
That's it.
Alright.
I think Campbell. Come on. Y'all want one? We don't have to. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Yes.
Hey, it's so pretty!
Awesome.
Ready? And then you can
Don't hurt yourself.
Can you hold my hand?
Benny.
Thank you.
Alright, who's next? Y'all want to get pictures together? Okay. And then if y'all want pictures, y'all come on, you be next. Y'all, it's only $9.49. Like I said, we're crushing it.
Mom's making sure everyone gets through and Dad's making sure it looks fun.
Yeah. Teamwork. Everybody has a role to play.
I like your necklace.
We just did one with the glasses. You missed it.
I don't ever go in there, but sometimes when I do, I'm like,
you guys are next?
okay, like,
You did so good. Oh, you want to do one just us? Okay.
anytime I see Jade, she is like, more like dressed up in Irish.
And then you guys
They were so cute, like they were spot on, but it was just really funny, like,
I feel like Jade. I get this. It was really cute. It was really cute. I was like,
I like what you have now though.
Yeah.
Where did you
With Kelly's glow.
Also, I'm obsessed with your skirt and your sweater. I didn't realize that your sweater was a sweater. And then I really liked it.
Bless you. Thank you.
I didn't realize that you could take
Bless you.
Oh yeah.
So I've been ordering a lot more things. Yeah, I just
It's nice because you can just take it back.
yeah, super easy. So I ordered like 3 different sweater shirts to see what would look right in the right colors.
Really good.
He said he's funny on TikTok.
We got to bring in the ladies. I think that was a good thing.
I didn't have to go to the store first year. I didn't have to get any shoes.
Like in 2020. Yeah.
Like May's not really
It's just been sitting there since. He's like, nobody's playing video.
I figured like the planes and the neutrals, there's a little bit of
Well, you don't
It's like, well, are you want to play for the titling? Like,
I
like
think
go
that
do a
ties
panic
in
lean.
well with like
Where's your fashion?
what?
I'll take it.
You were so stylish.
I was like, he looks like an American Eagle model. He was like, he does.
And it's a nice board. It's an old, like 80s era, like early 80s. So it's like the square body.
Neutral, I guess.
She didn't like the gray shirt under it.
It's like, I like how light gray.
Yeah, you see, yeah, F1 was turned into F1. This is an F1.
What are we doing?
Little
Yeah,
gray.
dude, I was like, I looked inside of it. I was like,
Give all the things.
It's all the stuff.
it's a manual,
Take your
like,
sunglasses off your
they're
head.
like perfect. Can you imagine Sam rolling
All
up
right, come here, Cam. Let's
16
just go get our
in high school and this like manual pickup?
What's up to you?
No rust on it whatsoever.
You want to say, okay, you can.
I was like, well, I was like, I wouldn't, I'm going to work on an engine, but it's a truck. It's got a Pro engine. So we'll see what happens. I have no idea what kind of engine it is.
Guy is coming back.
Alright, Campbell. Come on, Bo, we're about to go.
I'd like to just like rebuild it.
I've never done
He says he's pretty sure it's
It's
early
pretty fun.
80s. And they
I don't
didn't
know if I
switch
could do
the-
it as an adult, but I can do it.
You just peed.
All right, that's it.
Hey, Mom.
What are we doing over here?
Guys, does anybody want
Needs
anything
to pee
else?
again.
Do you want one of just the grandkids? Yeah, I had all your stuff. Anybody want anything else? Do you want
The
anything?
early, they didn't switch to
I don't really have any pictures. We can get individuals of the kids.
Jade and I are good.
There's a lot of options. Okay.
Just the clippers.
Y'all want anything? Yeah. All right, let's take your
You got two gloves?
After that,
There is not. There's a dog in there, but I can show you where the bathroom is if that's okay with you.
We're not as romantic as everybody else because, you know, 4 kids.
Well, so we were going to go to a nice like steakhouse downtown.
We'll get individuals of each of the kids. Or do you get all the reviews together?
I can't jump.
Kids! Kids! Sam, Matt! Come on.
And then we drove by Anakias. Yeah, we were like, let's go to Anakias on our way home. So we canceled our That's awesome.
Last minute Anakias.
Like, that's like our
We can never go like on the way home with our dogs.
Hey, look, Bubba's right behind you. Bubba's right behind you, okay?
Now we can stop off. It'll be nice to break up the drive.
Come on, Campbell. Y'all stand in.
No? Alright, go over there. Look at all
It was a long drive yesterday.
Stand right there. Stand right there.
What time did you get? Were y'all coming through? Like right at like traffic? Like we left early to try to get through Columbia before 4. And we got there before 4 and it was just like
Okay, there you go.
that's a good one.
Just shoot me. I'm the star of the show. Good luck getting me to move.
So Sam always stands like this when he's chatting, and so Bennett is, when he wants to take it seriously, he goes.
Good job. Can I get a picture of just you? But again, their fault. Like, right? Like, if you have a picture, you should have it. But you didn't have to snap like.
perfect. Okay, can I get just you?
Campbell, can we get one of those?
Well, it's the wind was blowing.
Okay. We had like
Yep, you got everybody that's in it. Summer comes back.
There's 2 false balls.
yeah, so if you go in that like door, the yellow door right
And I didn't realize Alex said
and then just go right down the stairs, it's on the right.
Okay.
There is a dog in there.
That's okay.
They can't go back.
What's the dog's name?
much.
It's easier and harder. You got me. You have to do everything you got.
One more time, buddy.
Beat me up.
Really good.
Probably.
It's okay. I know.
There we go.
So sweet. Anything else anyone wants while we're here?
Everybody else?
Anybody else?
2 minutes to spare.
You're good.
Good. Yeah, we got that done real fast.
So how many thoughts a day do you normally do?
So September's not as popular, so I only had 3 today, but like in October, November, I'll usually have 8 is how many I open up at a time. So that's just for mini sessions, and then I'll do full sessions and newborn sessions too.
I did that.
And I don't know who belongs to that Grand Wagoneer, but oh my good lord.
Oh yeah, that's my brother.
Well done. You look at the Wagoneer?
Yeah, this is my brother-in-law's
Does it
sister-in-law's
really?
house.
Yeah, it's a beautiful car.
Oh, I know.
Why are you pulling on that? Why would you do that?
Where are you guys gonna go get donuts?
The farmer's market.
Oh, nice. Yeah. The gluten-free donuts over there. Yeah.
She's gluten-free.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, you probably don't find those very often.
I hardcore brag. 15
Oh, I
minutes,
love it.
give me your best smiles,
Yes.
and then you can get one treat from the farmer's market.
Yes.
Oh, the farmer's market is closing. Ah,
Your earrings.
silly, McKay.
It does. Yeah.
Are you guys from Travelers Rest area? Or? Okay.
Well, we just moved here in July.
Oh, nice. To Travelers Rest?
We were just doing the Cherry Dale before, but
Oh, okay.
we just moved to Jackson Falls, Tiger Grove area.
Okay.
You know what Sphinx is?
Yeah.
Take a right there, go down.
It might even blow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Less 1-year-olds. We should be somewhere else.
You know, you're already there. So I don't blame you.
Not at the family.
All right.
It's just such a tricky situation to be in.
I haven't thrown a pitch in a long time.
Okay.
We're happy.
Yeah.
Oh, we got it.
Not today.
Yeah.
You're ready.
Oh, wait. No, Chris, that's what we're waiting.
All right, I hope you enjoyed watching this very, very quick extended family mini session. And if you haven't already, don't forget to go ahead and download that free posing guide that I have for you in the description below. And let me know if you have any questions. I would be so happy to address anything, make new videos for you. Let me know what topics, what things you're interested in seeing from me. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.